folks, good afternoon to you. 24th of October. Let's just quickly zoom in on those beautiful trees over there. Such lovely autumn, fall colours we're having this year. Just quickly bringing you in on, I've been just packing the kiln. Just to show you these briefly. These are some little Hakami type bowls that I've been doing with a white slip. You saw me just trim these in the last clip. These are drying now upside down in the sun. So yeah, Hakami white slip. It's an interesting medium to work in, I think. Here's some examples of some Hakami type wear. There's a couple of these I made. I kept them just for reference. Transparent glaze over top of Hakami, spotted with rutile, iron oxide and cobalt. Brush decoration. Here's another example, not made by me. Actually came from lower down, my father's. Must have been a pot of my father's that he was either given or he got from an exhibition, I don't know. But anyway, it's just a good example of Hakami type white slip. Underglaze slip treatment with a transparent glaze over the top. Let's head over to the kiln shed. I've got organised chaos here in my glaze room where I've been busily working, finishing off some pieces to get into the kiln. But let's go over to the kiln. I've just lit it, and it must be around 1:30, 1:15. I'm hoping to, yeah, I'm gonna fire it. So it's good. I'm not hoping. It's fact. It's happening. As you can see, the kiln is alight. Just to show you here some more of those ones, like I just showed you. Some type of tea bowls with an underglaze Hakami. Alright, so we'll see how they come out. I'm just going to have to go a little bit slowly here because some of these have still got moisture in them. So we're going to have a slow warm up. It's all raw. It's going to go straight up to cone 10. Yeah, actually what I'm going to do is put a board here because we have a little bit of a draft problem at the minute. And so yeah, I've been working on the PDF for this, and it's getting there. I'm getting all the photographs organized in different categories. It's going to be visual more than anything else, with lots of photographs showing the process of me making this in the awful mess that it was. As these things are when you're mucking around building kilns, it's a messy business. But it's organised chaos, you know. So we've got the pyro here. Somebody asked me about a pyro. What type do I have? Well, I have what type could I recommend? I was kindly given this one by my good friend Don Gilmore, but we just switch it on. There we are. It's got a reading. It's currently reading 78, 76 actually. So what we'll do is I'm just going to carefully lower the lid. I'm just going to have to Yeah, that's... So the cutout in the lid here exactly fits the shape of the chimney flue underneath. So good. Well, there it is. We'll see now the pyro beginning to go up. 80. Yeah, well, it's going up, you see. It's going to go up very slowly though to start with, because we've got a very slow flame on purpose. We'll have to organise a chart. Last firing was good. We had good result and no seconds. So this is, the last one was the 8th firing. This one is going to be the 9th. Okay, there we have it, folks. We'll be firing that today. Maybe we'll tune in later for another short clip, and then we will be unpacking it shortly. Let's just have another little quick look at those lovely autumn colours. Yes. Looking up towards the Narrows there. Really is very beautiful. Yeah. It's good to appreciate these things, isn't it? Enjoy each season. Each season has its own particular beauty. Alright folks, from me, you're not going to see me today because I'm holding the camera and I don't feel beautiful today, so having a bad hair day. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. As always, keep practicing and stay tuned for updates. Okay, bye for now.